This is my 20businesses.com ebook. This book isn't an in-depth step-by-step book on how to do things, like how to set up 20 different businesses, like from start to finish type of thing. But it will give you a basic outline of what to do to make money online, like how to set up, a eBay business, for example, how to set up a voiceover business or anything of that nature. Even something as simple as making an ebook. Like you can make an ebook, you can post, you can set it online and that type of stuff. So it has the basic outline of what you basically need to know in order to make money from these things. So if you already know how to make an ebook, well, that's good. Then the next steps will be the basic stuff you need in order to make that ebook profitable, and to be able to create more ebooks so you can keep going on and, have a whole ebook business as an example. And there's other examples in here. There's 20 different businesses that you can create relatively for $0, or you can you can spend some money and, increase your profits by spending more money. The more money you put into it, the more work you put into it, the more you get out of it. And that's what this ebook is about.